Indoor plant repotting tips. Repotting is essential for healthy plant growth. It provides fresh nutrients, prevents root-bound issues, and encourages better water absorption. Here's how to do it right. Step-by-step repotting guide. Water the plant a few hours before repotting. To reduce stress, gently remove the plant from its pot. Tap the sides or squeeze the container if needed. Loosen the roots and trim any dead or rotting ones. Add fresh soil at the base of the new pot. Place the plant in the center and fill the remaining space with soil, leaving about an inch at the top. Press down lightly to eliminate air pockets that don't compact the soil too much. Water thoroughly and place the plant in its usual spot with proper light. Aftercare tips. Avoid fertilizing for 2 to 4 weeks to prevent shock. Monitor for stress signs, wilting or drooping. They usually recover in a few days. Keep humidity levels stable to help the plant adjust.